Are you just starting your company? Maybe you've been in business for a while, but you've never really focused on a service department. Well, today's HubSpot update can help you move forward with just that. That's right, a great customer experience. Look, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
So we're going to talk about two things real quick, and that is HubSpot Service Free and HubSpot Starter Package. Well, that's the thing that's live now, is the Starter Package, but let's talk about what it is. Now live is Service Hub Starter, a brand new entry-level service package that helps early service teams build a basic help desk. This new package is made possible by adding a slimmed down version of tickets into the free tool. Now, we're going to talk about the free tool for a second. It's free and it's limited, but why does it matter? HubSpot is determined to help their customers experience value before they buy. With the addition of tickets to HubSpot's free tools, users can now experience using HubSpot for Service for free. But let's talk a little bit more about the HubSpot Starter Package. Pro tip, it's only $50 per month per user. And with that small cost, you can build a simple but powerful help desk with HubSpot branding removed and helpful productivity tools that aid in automating your customer service process. So you might be wondering what comes in this customer service tool. Number one, conversations. The conversation tool offers live chat, team email, and an easy-to-use chatbot builder. HubSpot gives you the messaging tools and the context to have personalized conversations with prospects and customers at scale. Number two, Tickets offers a way to track, order, collaborate, and deliver on customers' needs and expectations. The tickets object can be associated with a contact, so all your team will be able to see if a customer has an open issue. Number three, the help desk. Free and starter users can create an editable support form to capture service inquiries and turn them into tickets. They'll be able to create custom ticket properties and see basic reporting on those tickets. Number four, the productivity tools. HubSpot Service Hub Starter users will have the added benefit of HubSpot's productivity tools. With Starter, you can use email templates and snippets to speed up your responses to common customer questions. It also gives you email sequences to save time and automate your process even more. HubSpot users can increase productivity and save time with the meetings and documents features that are also included. And last but not least, additionally, all HubSpot branding is removed from external service tools. Do you love these updates? Then make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That takes you to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Also, make sure you check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Hit the bells, the likes, and subscribes. All the things that we know that you're part of the community. Do you need training past this update? Check out the description below. That's what we do. 1 and 2 day workshops all the time, everywhere. Doesn't matter, around the globe. Anyway, check out the links. Also, make sure you check out this free or starter package of the Service Hub. And while you're doing that, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.